Okay, so we're reviewing this Solaray flashlight tonight. It is max 1200 lumens, rechargeable lithium batteries. It came with extra battery. One is already in the flashlight. I've already charged it in the charger down here. So we're going to go outside so you can take a look at how bright the light is. So this has some neat features. It has the tactical that you can use to do the window break. It has the flashing capabilities, flash SOS. It also will flash like a strobe light for emergencies. Get back, Max. Go on. Stay. All right, so I'm gonna turn the light on and my son's gonna video so you can see how bright it is. We're gonna walk over here so you can get a better idea on our lights up my whole side yard. And there's your strobe feature and your SOS feature. Really cool flashlight. Thanks a lot, y'all.